So activity 4 is to setting up a cost budget using AWS Budgets. So we can use AWS Budgets to track and also take actions on your AWS costs and usage. So we can start the activity by clicking on Start Activity. So here are a few steps to complete this task. We can create a monthly budget, and here are 4 steps to create that. So starting with choosing the budget setup, we can use a given template with recommended configurations. And for the templates option, we can go ahead with choose monthly cost budget option. And then here we can name our budget, let's say my monthly cost budget, and go for next step, which is entering our budget amount. Here it's $100, but we can also calculate using AWS pricing calculator. So next we can enter the email here. So this email will receive a notification when you exceed your budgeted amount. And say next. So here it's mentioned that you will be notified when your actual spend reaches 85%, 100%, or your forecasted spend is expected to reach 100%. So now we can create our budget, and here we receive the notification that our budget is created successfully. So we can review the created budget. And here are some of the alert options. So now we can delete this budget by clicking on Actions and Delete. So we have successfully deleted our monthly cost budget. So now we have completed this task, and we should be able to receive the $20 in credits. So let's go to the console and scroll down here. So it says the task status is not started. Let's refresh once again. So now we can observe we have status as completed, and also we received $20 in credits.